On this episode, we're talking about the cooling fan wiring. This is the third time I've recorded this and the fourth time I've messed it up. On this episode, we're talking about the fan wiring for your electric fan on your radiator. So this is Texas Heat radiator from Vic Autosports. It's larger than the stock radiator, cools the car better. This is a 14-inch fan from Amazon. At the time when I bought it, it had more CFM and lower amp draw than stock. So I had to wire this in to the car. On this radiator from Vic's, if you want to run the stock fan, it has mounting points on both sides where you can put on the little yellow fan. The wiring on this car, everything behind the fan is factory. So coming out of the factory wiring, we have a blue wire and a black wire. And then we also have a double black. So the fan is ground operated through the temperature switch. When the switch is cold, it's open and there's no connection. As the car heats up, it closes and completes a circuit and the fan turns on. So you have a ground wire coming out of the fan, goes into this double ground, goes down to the switch. Then from the switch, it comes up and goes to the grounding lug over here. And so that's all it is. Double ground down there, hot over here, ground over here. If you wanted to add a switch inside the car to manually turn on the fan, you need to tap into the fan side of the switch. So one side of the switch goes to this ground, one side of the switch goes to the fan. Tap into the fan side, run your line in the car to your switch. From your other side of your switch, just run it to a ground. And then when you turn the switch on, you're completing this ground circuit on the fan and it's going to turn on. When you turn it off, it's going to operate as normal from the temperature switch side. The thing you need to remember about your manual switch is when you park the car, turn it off. If you leave it on, you're going to hear it running, but it'll stay on until you turn the switch off again. So when I pull up to the house in the Fiasco, I got a manual switch. I turn the switch off, and then the car shuts down as normal. I can go in there right now and hit the switch and it'll turn on. If your factory wiring is all messed up, all you need is a power source for the fan. So you could come off of anywhere. Let's say you come off the back of the alternator or the solenoid on the starter, anywhere there's a solid battery source. Run your hot lead, put a fuse in it, of course, but run a hot lead to the fan, but then use this double ground wiring part, and the fan's going to operate as normal. This is a bypass, so I just tapped into this ground plug. I tapped into this ground wire to the switch. I wish I could see. Yeah. So fan's off. And then when I ground it, fan comes on. Take it off, fan turns off. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.